Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Queen Elizabeth Community. Guys, today I am come up with another very exciting and amazing project. Before we are going to start the review of my interesting and a very outstanding trending project, I want to say that if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notification. And also, guys, don't forget to search on your own for any investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. So let's start this amazing the SpendNet, the free debit card with the cashback rewards, ideal for online payments, digitals, and campaigns. Cashback 1% on every payment and cashback 2% on media purchases. These virtual cards are provided with the full payment details, card under expiry date, and CVV code, and they are compatible with the Visa and MasterCard. Additionally, they are equipped with the 3D secure protection. They are technology for added security. Even though these cards are topped up with the crypto, they work like regular USD, Visa, or MasterCard product. Expected for the subscription, app store, payment, online shopping, AI services, travel, bookings, and many things more. A lot of things to do for you guys. And also, they have the payment cards. SpendNet payment cards can be issued for the free and are ready for use immediately for the after creation. These cards are issued by the US bank. Top up currency is selected by the US USDT or the BTC. Currently, the card support only payments in the dollars, and cashback is credit for the each purpose. Easy for use. Bala main points guides. You can get to know that the financial platform Spend Network provides virtual debit crypto cards with the cashback rewards. They support the USDT and BTC top ups and are used for the payment. They have the services ability to earn while spending. All the cards offer automatic cashback, and 1% cashback is credit on all the spending before confirming the transaction. And also they have the fast registration on the platform, simple card issuance, fast and responsive support for you guys. So get started right now, and this is for you guys to get this opportunity. Spend cashback, optimize your spending for the greater return. Every purchase made with SpendNet rewards you with the cashback addedly directly to your account. Earn to spend again, and also easily transfer your accumulated cash back to your cards, allowing you to spend more and more, even more rewards. So you can get to know that. And also you can spend the features seamless, and they are convenient. The flexible fees, instant card issuance made easy. Select the number of the cards you will be like, and with one click you are instantly be the part of this support. They are export the statements, effortlessly support the payments and transaction in the report format available in the box, guys. And also they have the dedicated supports. Our support team is available 24/7 to assist your any issue related to your SpendNet account. So we will be ready to help you maximize your advertising impact with the spend. And also they have the 20 plus BNs and team managements, the people they are arranging this. And also the spend premium, optimize your spend and boost your cashback rewards, and get started with the SpendNet today. Right now, sign up now, and you can get to know that there are no limits on the number of cards and free cards issuance. They have the 0% fee for the transaction, 0% for the decline, 0% for the currency exchange operation, 0% for the card and account withdraw, and 0% for the refund. And also they have the 0% for the account top-ups, and the $50 and the more. A small services fee applies for the top-ups below $50, guys. This is also they have the you can choose your cashback cards, unique pins and custom card terms, and also the delicious cards. Add the funds and load. You can load the card, and you can exchange, and you can withdraw. You can check the total balance, and you can check that they have the cashback which is zero. Choose your card cashback card, and also you can select the new card, and also the cashback 1% and cashback 2% of the any payment of any advertisement. This is issue for free. So that's all about this amazing SpendNet program and this amazing community. You don't have to forget to get this opportunity. Please go and get back to this amazing opportunity, and don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they get benefit from it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.